The key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles. Dream big, think big, and achieve your goal. This is a mantra for each and every person's life. This is a mantra of success. Welcome to each and everyone who are watching my video right now. A very warm welcome to everyone. This is Saboni Dhara in Dhara Education. And today I'm going to start with a very new and interesting topic in which you all will going to clear your doubts, especially in the case of 12th standard commerce section. Many students are confused with the decision of the deletion or the reduction in the portion, or you can say deletion in the syllabus of the HSC board exam. So today I'm here to tell you about the bookkeeping and accountancy deleted portion discussion. So we will go ahead with the explanation and let's start. So students, this is the word format which I have prepared from the PDF provided by the Maharashtra board for HSC board students of this year, new syllabus, commerce section, class 12. The bifurcations or the deleted portion of this year which I am going to show you is for the subject bookkeeping and accountancy. So let's start. The first chapter, introducing to partnership and partnership final account. Page number will be 164 of the textbook and the activity box, and the remark is extra work. Next chapter is accounts of not for profit concern. Page number 124, same activity box and extra work. Chapter number 3, admission of partner, deleted topic, page number 167, activity box, extra work. Chapter 4, retirement of partner, page number 186, activity box, extra work. Next one is death of partner, page number 205, that is 205, activity box, extra work. Next one, dissolution of partnership firm, 250 page number, activity box, extra work. Bills of exchange, 308 page number, activity box, extra work. Issue of shares, 343, activity box, extra work. Analysis of financial statement, 380, activity box. Next one, computer in accounting, 387 page number to 390 page number, practical activity, extra work is deleted. Next one is retirement of partner, 168 to 182, activity box, extra work. Bills of exchange, 251 to 300, self-study, notice. Means here you need to, the students need to focus on the self-study, okay. Analysis of financial statement, page number 344 to 374, self-study. And the last one, computer in accounting, 381 page number to 386 page number, that is also self-study, notice. So these all, first of all I'm going to explain you the things like the titles, what they have discussed is serial number, topic name, page number, so these all are the page number. Then matter of self-study, where you have to work on the self-study or not, okay. And remark, extra work. So in general, I just want to tell you that these all are the topic names which are deleted from your syllabus of your HSC board exam due to COVID-19, and these all are the page numbers which is mentioned over here. And based on this thing, here they have written self-study notice. These all are deleted syllabus. So wherein you have to make sure that these all are the deleted topics from your portion. So after the completion of your portion completely, you can go ahead with the extra sums, no doubt on that. But these all are the topics where you shouldn't take it into consideration while preparing for the board exams. So this is what it is stating over here. I guess you have cleared your doubts with this. अगर कुछ छूट जाता है, you can please rewind the video and you can see from the beginning onwards. These all are the topics which they have discussed, all 14 topics with the respective page numbers. So I guess you all got the things very properly, very clearly. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.